Careful out there.
He's going for it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. She's screaming her fucking head off. Like there's a murder. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Alright. He's good. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's not over.
Oh, there we go. Oh. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone. No, no, no. Oh my god, another one.
When being lazy backfires.
Oh, Sarah, back off, back off.
Why didn't
back
she
off.
stop the car and close the door?
Damn it. Got enough fucking connection. Open it, fucking thing on my door and I'll look at my
Why did it what?
like, you know how they do that?
Yeah. Oh look, the garage opening. We gotta go.
Is the moose test, and strangely many new cars are failing it, either rolling up on two wheels, spinning, understeering straight on, or rolling over completely. It's a test that was made famous by Techniek and Vard, a Swedish motoring magazine, and they have put hundreds of cars through the test to ensure that their handling is good enough to be safe on the road. Now you would have thought that the grip and handling of cars was getting better, not worse. So I've done some digging to find out exactly what's going on. The moose test measures a car's cornering ability and resistance to rolling over. You basically weave through a set of cones that replicate swerving to avoid something in the road, like a moose, giving the test its name. And obviously this is common in Sweden, where the test was invented. This may seem a little irrelevant for those of us who aren't in countries that have moose roaming around. However, it's similar to a pedestrian stepping out into the road or a car driving out from a blind junction. The test is done on a dry surface while having the car fully loaded up with people and luggage, definitely putting the car in the worst case scenario. And in terms of cornering, the test is really aggressive. A lot of the cars complete the test at around 40 to 50 miles an hour, and while this doesn't sound like a lot, speaking from experience, the turns are extremely tight. You have to wind on a lot of steering angle, then unwind it before doing the same in the opposite direction. A scenario that doesn't happen too much on the road, but it certainly can. The rapid change of direction can be enough to unsettle cars, pushing them over their limits, with tight turns and a heavy load. The cars run several tests, gradually increasing the speed until they fail the test. To pass, you have to complete the run at 43 miles an hour or over without hitting cones, spinning out or rolling over. The test became world famous when the Mercedes A-Class not only failed the test, but failed in dramatic style. The A-Class had a tall body combined with a short wheelbase design, which is great for passenger space, but makes the centre of gravity really high, meaning that the car is easier to roll over when cornering hard. And a car's centre of gravity matters because it creates a lever effect. The higher the centre of gravity, the longer the lever, and the easier it is for the car to fall over. Mercedes initially denied the issue, but eventually admitted the car had a huge problem and recalled all of the A-classes that had been sold. And the recall didn't come cheaply, costing Mercedes an insane $250 million. However, more recently, lots of well-known cars have been failing the test too. The 2016 Toyota Hilux failed the test when it nearly rolled running the test at the required 43 miles an hour. And of course, the Hilux is an off-road focused pickup truck, so you may say that it shouldn't be subject to the same sort of tests. And you're kind of right, but there is a need to test the cornering ability of all the cars on the road, as any one of them may have to avoid a pedestrian stepping out into the street. But the Hilux has several disadvantages in this test. It can carry a lot more load than the other cars, so it's incredibly heavy during the test. And as it's built for off-road, it has a tall ride height, which really doesn't help when cornering quickly. And in addition, its suspension is very soft to aid traction in the mud. If you were to design a car that wasn't good for the Moose test, this may well be it. The actual problem with the Hilux was that the front of the car had too much grip, and the rear didn't have enough. A solution to this could have been adding a stiffer anti-roll bar to the rear, however this would have impacted the off-road ability of the truck. And in general, SUVs struggle with this test. You can check out Technique and Vard's channel, which I've linked in the description, to see loads of cars failing in this way. And this was also the case with the Toyota RAV4, which failed in 2020, and then again in 2021 with a revised version of the car. The same happened to the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, only this one actually ripped the tyres off the rims. Watch here. Then the Porsche Macan had a different issue with the Moose test. It used a system that engaged the brakes on selected wheels to prevent rollovers.
Ja pierdzielę. Ale... Oh shit.
He's sliding.
That was way bigger than I expected it to be.
Смотри! Стой, Вова! Авария, что ли? Что это? Он что, не видит?
哎呦，一呵，这家伙，这家来势汹汹的，飞了吧？哎呦我操！哎呦我操！哎呦哎呦我的！
Not yet. You're going there. Come on.
Video of the tire.
Yep, you're seeing that correctly. That is a $3.2 million LaFerrari getting crashed into a group of scooters, and it's not the owner driving it. The owner gave the keys to the LaFerrari to the valet driver so he could go park it. As you saw from that video clip, he forgot to put it in park. Now, mind you, that $3.2 million price tag is just an average I found online. I've seen them upwards of $6 million. And this dude forgets to put it in park. I feel bad for the valet driver. That's a tough situation, but still. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section.
Galore!